Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Let's tie two easy styles that anybody can rock. So the first thing you want to do in this first style is to place it on your head and then tie it under your chin. Make sure that you tie it very tight and let it be firm. Then you can bring out your left ear and bring out your right ear so that you have that beautiful look we're going for. Push it forward a bit, then you go to the back, just tie it a little bit but not too tight, and then you have the first style beautifully done. And you can rock this to that special occasion. You see how it is, very simple, beautiful and elegant. You don't have to really do too much. Let's say you don't want to wear your wig, you just want to cover your hair and still look very pretty. This is the perfect style for you. So let me know in the comment section, would you be trying out this style? So let's go to style number 2. This one is pretty basic and we're not going to do too much. It's almost similar with the first one. You place your scarf on your head and then you just cross it under your chin. Tie it, not too tight please. We're going for something simple and easy. And then don't forget to bring out your ear. If you feel like it's not too tight under your chin, you can just tie it a little bit more and then we're done. Simple, like I said, easy. Anyone can try this style. I hope you like. This is for my ladies who don't like stress. You just want something quick and easy that will still make you look beautiful. So let me know your thoughts. Which do you prefer? Style 1, which is this style, or style 2? Which of them are you going to be rocking very soon? Drop your comments and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every one of you. I love you guys. Bye.